Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. Today we're going to be learning Lord, I lift your name on high, and we're going to do it all in one video. So we're going to learn all the signs we need today, and then tomorrow we're going to sign it with the music. Okay, but before we get started, you need to know I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video, in the description, you're going to find helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials are there as well. Okay, so Lord, I lift your name on high. So Lord, you're going to make an L with your dominant hand and go from your non-dominant shoulder down to your hip. Okay, it's like you're mimicking the sash of the Lord. Okay, Lord. Okay, I lift your name. So name, it's like you're kind of making an X with two fingers. And then on high, we're going to just move it higher. Okay? Lord, I love to sing your praises. Lord, I love hugging your chest to sing, non-dominant hand out, and you're doing a melody over your forearm to sing your, and then praises, clapping. Okay, kind of like this. I'm so glad you're in my life. I, at your chest, I'm so glad, I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy. You're in like this, making a cup and tucking your hand in. My life. So for that, you're making L's and you come down towards your stomach and then up towards your rib cage. Okay, and then I am so glad you came, so index finger out from your body, coming into your body to save us. So making S's, that's how you make an S, so a fist with your thumb across the fingers to save, and then us, making a U, two fingers together from shoulder to shoulder. Okay? Let's try that from the top. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life, and I'm so glad you came to save us. Okay, and then the chorus. You came from heaven. You, pointing to God in heaven, came from. So from, you're taking your fist, just having your index finger out, from. Okay, from heaven. So for heaven, roll your hands over one another like this. Okay, and then you're kind of showing the floor of heaven. Okay. You came from heaven to earth. Non-dominant hand out like this, and you kind of make a ball and wiggle it on your wrist, okay? To show the way. I know this is a lot, but if you practice, you'll get there, okay? This is show, okay? To show, and then way, making W's like this, to show the way. And then from again, from the earth, and then cross, luckily, is just making a cross. Okay, from the cross, or from the earth to the cross, my debt. So there's debt to pay, okay? So this is debt, like you owe me money to pay. From the cross to the grave. Grave is like a mound of dirt, okay? And then from the grave to the sky, Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, let's try that from the top. I know it's a lot, but stick with it. I promise you'll get there. Okay, Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life, and I'm so glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth to show the way. From the earth to the cross, my debt to pay. From the cross to the grave. So I'm realizing now you're probably not going to end up putting all those froms or tos in there, and that's fine, okay? Because it does get busy in there, doesn't it? Okay, so from the cross to the grave, and from the grave to the sky, Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, let's do it one more time, okay? Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life, and I'm so glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth to show the way. From the earth to the cross, my debt to pay. From the cross to the grave, and from the grave to the sky, Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign it with the music. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.